What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life. So we got pizza tonight for dinner, which from that pizza joint, Hungry Howie's, which it looks. This is bacon and green pepper pizza with a garlic crust. That crust should be really tasty. Oh my god, this looks. Oh my, that is tasty.
Ranch is what we got.
Oh yeah.
Is it good ranch crust?
I don't know, because I haven't gotten there. Sorry. Didn't mean to sound sarcastic.
You're funny, honey.
Oh my god. That is good stuff. I got ranch crust for my pizza, and it looks like it's going to taste good. That's bizarre. The ranch crust tastes like one of those flavor packaged ranches where you add the water to it, but it's not bad. It's actually pretty tasty. Alright, Mom's off work.
What'd you say?
I said, alright, Mom's off work. My God. I really wish we had a Hungry Howie's back in Indiana. This pizza joint and my aunt alone are reasons enough for me to say screw India. Are reasons enough for me to. I'll redo this entire video.
Well, you don't need to do that. Having pizza here in my aunt, that's enough reason for me to get up and move here.
I didn't say that. That was what was going to be hinted at.
That was.
Oh.
Okay. Sandy, did you have yours open?
Mm.
No, I see. Probably do. Oh, I don't.
My God. This bacon pizza is delicious.
I ordered online so they would just take my card. So,
Oh, Sandy.
no, really. It's okay. Thank you.
Oh man. I could get used to eating this brand of this place's pizza. It's delicious.
Is it? What is it?
It's Hungry Howie's bacon, green pepper with a ranch crust. That the crust is absolutely amazing.
That sounds gross.
That sounds amazing to me, and it is.
I'm gonna try. You don't need that.
If you don't want the crust, I'll eat it.
Honey. Man, I hope you don't poop. I thought you were getting. Good. Never mind.
We didn't get that one. Cause you,
Green pepper, right?
I thought you talked into the white sauce.
nope.
No, because it's gotta be fattening.
No, it would tear our stomach up.
And then why bother if we don't have to save the calories where we can?
Hungry Howie's pizza really is tasty.
How do you know? How do you know it's so good, Isaac?
Because I've done several other Hungry Howie reviews. You should go check out my hamburger pizza review and my in my chicken and waffle pizza review from a couple of months back. Actually, you should check out all 811 other videos of mine. And I wanted to say thanks for the 220 subscribers. You guys rock.
Aren't you perfect? Blackberry, so perfect. Isaac Blaze told me that he wants to eat this crust. He said, don't listen to Isaac.
He didn't, because he didn't meow.
High five, Jay.
Okay,
What?
so are you still filming?
Yes. Give me a minute or a few seconds. I'm your host, Isaac Brumlett. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Peace out, y'all. And have a good one. I know I sure as hell will. And once again, I wanted to say thanks again for the support and everything else. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one.